Hey guys, this is video game player Isha. Today I would like to recommend a cost-effective TV for you, the Syinix 32E4M. I know I won't be disappointed with it when I see its package for the first time. So now, let's do the unboxing. The Syinix 32E4M is very simple to install. It can be done easily by one person. This product is made by Syinix and Zen Studio, a Japanese industrial design studio. With OD22 ultra-thin body, supports wall-mounted, this TV is a frameless set, with simple and stylish in the overall design. The lack of borders brings a seamless feeling and provides a better visual enjoyment. This TV comes with two 12-watt box-type hi-fi speakers. It can achieve 24-watt immersive surround sound to make you as if on the scene. Common 32-inch TVs on the market only have two 10-watt speakers. They can't make such box speakers as Syinix. Except for the main TV body, these provided accessories are fully considered to users, quite practical in use. This TV equips with an AC adapter, enables a freely switch between BS and VDE plugs, meets the needs of different user circumstances, and provides multiple options for installation. Your personal taste and aesthetics will be well improved if put this TV into your living room. Most TVs need to be connected with Wi-Fi first before making the casting, while for Syinix 32E4M, it's special that you can use Android phones to do the casting directly without Wi-Fi and router. It's so convenient to play games, do home workouts, or watch movies with such a big display screen. Besides, this TV uses a wide voltage stabilizer with AC 96 volt to 300 volt working voltage, which prevents damage to the TV when the voltage is unstable. Besides, this TV also adopted the original A+ high-definition screen and the latest WCG, wide color gamut, display technology. Its vivid picture quality provides a better watching experience. Brightness and contrast. The brightness of this TV reaches 200 nits. Most common TVs in the current market only reach 160 to 180 nits. As for contrast ratio, Syinix has 3000 to 1. Every display detail is well kept by professional PQ adjustment technology. There has a built-in free satellite inside the TV. You can enjoy free satellite broadcast content without buying an extra installation box. Well, save your money. It's really a good deal. In general, compared with other brands, the advantages of Syinix 32E4M are quite obvious. I highly recommend this cost-effective TV.